Come on. See? See? I can't see, Mommy. I can't see the camera. I figured that it's a Boeing 747. Yeah, I'm going to check. Wait a second. That is not. That's another spaceship. It's a spaceship landing, Mommy. Isn't that an airplane? Come on. Wait a second. That is another Airbus A321. That's another Airbus A321, Mommy. Look. Yeah, look. Whoa. That is a helicopter landing. I feel it didn't have a wing. It is a helicopter landing. I think it does. Mommy, I want an RC plane. I can't believe my eyes is landing. Look. Tell me, look. What the? That's Air Swift. That's Air Swift, Mommy. Look. It's Swiss. I thought it wasn't in Dublin, Mommy. I seen it wasn't. Someone else built it. I see an air lingus going to the gate. I see the air lingus going to the gate. That was Benny drove by, Mommy. Yeah, Benny. You know Benny. Benny's, you know Pat's friend. Where are you? I'm looking for a Boeing 747-8. I see another plane taking off at the runway. That's the Ryan airplane taking off. That was a Ryan airplane taking off at another runway.